guys, here we are. It is the 13th day of March, 2025. We're at the SportShow in Pleasure Land. This thing is a B1's 100. So here we go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Left work earlier to get this done. Started on Thursday today, an hour ago. Pretty good crowd already, but here we are. I don't really like these things, but I get it. But there it is. Got your head over here, the bathroom there. Not too bad. All right. To me, it's not worth $158,000. I believe you drive your car, you pull your house. So let's go this one over here. This is what you want to pull. Brinkley, these are nice, but $55,000. Some of these are kind of cheap, but it's a nice big bathroom. Not bad. Got a nice shower. Not too bad. Nice big bed over here. It's not bad. I'd buy this before I buy that truck over there. Nice kitchen. Little chair right here. Put it on here. So you can rent RVs too as well if you want. So you get a little storage underneath here. It's 25 grand. It's not bad. $247 a month. Not bad. It's a nice size. This got the. I don't like these. Roll out like that. Just more stuff that goes wrong with it. And again, you got stairs. Been enough RV shows, you guys. I don't know, man, but I like the shower. I'd shower in the shower. Yeah, it's nice. Nice big workbench here. We always talk about. Nice. But that first thing I showed you guys, you drive your car and you pull your house. That's the way I look at it. Trucks. This is, I don't know, it's kind of a weird thing over here, the way this is like that. I don't know. Takes a broom. Sometimes I don't think they know how the layout. I just think that's kind of strange. But I don't know. I don't know if it'd probably be a bed as well, I guess. But you got your TV. You can watch me on there. Refrigerator. Not bad. I just don't like those stairs. It's just my personal opinion. So who am I? Here. See, this one's all over here. Got your storage room over here. Put your golf clubs in there. You sucker. Yeah. You get up in here. Another up the stairs. It's a big one. I like how this one is a nice big bed. Got any storage in here? That's nice. Actually, room, but not bad. Big room. All right. How's it going? Not too bad. So we go into. Here's the smaller ones here. 16 or 700. Not bad. I kind of like this one. Perfect for me right here. It's a perfect one. I like the layout. It's very simple. I can shower in the shower. You got room to sit in the shitter. Let me see if I can fit in here. I can. I'm 6'2". Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, the Northwest SportShow guys. Not bad. This is a nice one. This is all you need. Place to sleep, take a crap, black water, cook, and you're out playing golf. That's all you need. Let's not get overly emotional here, right? Dun, dun, dun. Stairs here.
How's it going?
Not too bad. I don't know about these stairs. I don't get this. Why is it in the middle here?
You don't like the island?
I don't know. I don't get it. But this makes me nervous if you're the stairs. I don't know. But that's just my personal opinion. But I'm more of a simple when I travel, you know.
Yeah.
But
For sure.
I don't know. I just think sometimes I've been in enough of these shows, they don't know what to do with the floor plan. And I just think you want to have room to move. I would have that over here. I would. I don't know, my personal opinion, but or that over there and put that over here. But whatever. See, guys, what I'm talking about.
Yeah, no, I can kind of see it. Keep
Yeah,
it open.
yeah, keep it absolutely.
Yeah.
This should be over here, next to there, and then you have that TV over there. This is too much. That's what I would do if I'm designing these things. It's make it simple, stupid, as they say, right? Right, ladies and gentlemen.
Make it simple, stupid.
That's right. I've been enough of these things, and it's like.
Do you have one now?
No, I've been looking at one, but if I buy one like that, but I believe you drive your car, pull your house. I'm not driving my house and then pull my car.
Gotcha, yeah.
Not doing it. You know, make sure they don't leak. Make sure you get an inspection. Go ahead, you good? Go ahead, my friend. So, I'm sorry, but that's a stupid thing. But that's just the way it is. Pleasure land there. The big boys. This one is 18 grand. This is a nice one, right? This is all you need. Kind of like how this is. See, right? This is right here, the island. Nice small oven, microwave. I think this is would you shower in the shower? Not bad. Got leg room, your bed, perfect. TV's right here. It comes down. You sit here by yourself. Perfect. You and the wife. But not bad. Easy schmeezy. I like that one. For 16 grand, that's not bad.
It's crazy.
This is a big dog up here, you can tell. 160,000. So this is a big one. We were just looking at. I was just in here. That's part of this one. Just huge. This is a toy hall, I think. We come back into here and anything else. So all that behavior. Less is more when you're on vacation. Hello. This is 16 grand. I like this one too. It's just a nice one. It's very simple. You can put your stuff up here if you want. Storage. Take that out of there. Make it a storage area. Not bad. You can shower in that shower. Absolutely. Easy. This one's nice. This one's just very simple. Nothing really wrong. Go ahead. I'm on board. I'm on board. But there you go. And you got this thing over here. This one is 36.5. Not bad. Open area. It's nice. I love this. Is nice. I love the kitchen is. This is where that again. Come over here. You got a nice. I love all this open bathroom. Right next to shower. This is nice. You can sit here and just hang out. TV is up there. Anything else? Nice. I don't like when they come out. I don't like those. That's just one more thing to go wrong. So it's a nice one. Nice big workbench. We always say, right? Get your fire extinguisher down there. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Again, you make sure you get an inspection on these bad boys before you buy them. Sometimes you be cheap. 34. Imagine. Nice bed. TV. You can watch yours truly. Hang out down there. Watch my Cowboys get embarrassed on national TV. watch some NASCAR. See, I like it. It's all recessed. It's nice. The refrigerator. Put your brewskis in here. Yeah, I got free tickets for this thing in the mail from last time I was here. The address, and I gave one to some other guy when he was coming in. So I handed that off to somebody. So it was $20 to park. So I got it for free. That was kind of nice. So yeah, go ahead, man. So Northwest Sports Show, man. Heck yeah, I like this layout. It's nice. But you better get this damn thing inspected before you take out the lot and have them look at it. You better get a warranty on them. They make them so cheap now. This is a mod bug, I guess. Small one. 25. I don't know. This is very little. I get it. I don't know. If I have a shower, my head's hitting up here. I don't think so. As you can kind of tell, you guys. I don't think so. No. No, not worth it. No, it's too small. Oop. My head hits in. Yeah, it's too small. So, mod bug, it's called. 37. This bad boy is. Yeah, you can take that out and make it as your storage. TV, bed, storage area, bed. All right, this kitchen. Well, anyways, not bad. All right, let's go over here.
This is a nice. Oh my.
So anyways,
That's pretty good. Is it in good shape?
kind of get a little bit of circle here. So anyways, we'll head on over there to the other one. So anyways, guys, this one over here is like 28 grand right here. So all right, video one in the books. Bitch please, I mean bitch please.